Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sparkwala.
So, how far do germs travel when we cough? Let's see in this video. So, each cough expels thousands of saliva droplets at up to 160 km per hour. So, each droplet is potentially laden with viruses or bacteria and can travel up to 2 meters depending on size.
So, cupped droplets can enter the nose or mouth of innocent bystanders. Meanwhile, germs in settled droplets can live on some surfaces for hours, ready to transfer to an unsuspecting victim. From a research, it has been discovered that an invisible gas cloud helps cuff droplets to spread around a room. Smaller droplets in the gas cloud are swept around by eddies, traveling further and taking longer to settle.
So, thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel.